If you're looking for products designed to make everyday life easier, healthier, and a little more fun, there's a unique pop-up experience happening this week in Greenwich Village. It's called The New Everyday, and it showcases some of the latest innovations in wellness, beauty, and home technology. Our Julie Millay is there right now. Hey, Julie.
Hey, good morning to you. Yeah, we're checking out this brand new, the New Everyday pop-up here in Soho. We're right on Bleecker Street where people can come by and take a gander at some of the new products, the latest innovations made to make your life easier. Joining me now to talk all about it is Kathy Buccio, lifestyle expert. Thank you so much for being here.
Well, it's great to be here.
There is so much fun stuff to check out. We don't have a ton of time, so let's get right to it.
No, what an amazing way to kickstart the weekend, right? With
yes.
With this making our everyday life a little bit more upgraded. Right, and you get to come here. It's free, by the way, free 3-day event.
Yes.
And you get to try the things. You get to touch them. You get to play with them, and you have giveaways, prizes, some juices that we tried.
Yes, we already sampled the juices.
Yummy, absolutely, but great innovative products as well.
And the first thing we want to show is
the smart toilet. We're having here. I mean, I'm excited about this.
Of course, how could you not be?
Because first of all, we think of a smart toilet, we think luxury 5-star hotels, right? But no, now it's for the everyday home because we want these products that are really innovative as well, but they're convenient, they're practical, and again, the bathroom is one of the most upgraded rooms in a home. It's ADA compliant, which means it's great if you have mobility issues, for aging parents, for families. It's something that everybody can use. But here is the best part. Can I do a little demo? Really
By all means.
Okay, I just want to show you. Like if you click this button, oh, it did itself. But if you open it up, and it also has the heated seat. I mean, do we not?
Oh my goodness, a heated seat. So if you want to read your New York Post or your New York Times, talk about your Knicks.
Absolutely, and I love that it has a bidet feature where it has different washes you can do. It self-cleans as well. It's a seat warmer, and I also love that it has a little light. Because if you're going to the bathroom maybe at 3 in the morning and you need a little light, we have that for you. And again, this is such a great product because it's accessible. Yes, it's innovative, and I keep saying that word, but I also want it to be accessible for people that they can use in their everyday life because we want it to be easier, healthier, and more fun as well.
And let's talk about skincare because that's while we're in the bathroom, right? Let's talk about some other upgrades. Tell us all about what we're looking at here.
I am so thrilled to talk about this product. This is a Seneda Vivid Lift. First of all, this product is almost like I call it a 2-in-1. It has HIFU technology, that means high intensity focused ultrasound, which helps with stimulating collagen. So you're talking fine lines, you're talking your jawline, you're talking those crow's feet as well. And you use this about once a week, and I really love that. And people have said that after usage of 8 weeks, they see a 30% improvement in their fine lines and wrinkles. But even better, it comes with sonophoresis, which this really digs deep into the skin. So if you're using a product right here, like the PDRN, the liquid, it absorbs in the skin so much quicker. 15 minutes a day, Julie. It's all you need to use this. And then it also has like a warm sensation. It doesn't hurt, because I know many people be like, does it hurt? It does not hurt. And I love that it's so, again, innovative. It's Medi-Spa, professional service right from your home.
And it's something that, I mean, women are always trying to find ways to make our faces look younger, look fresher, look brighter.
Yes, and it's radiant, it's hydrating.
Yes.
Again, 15 minutes. I keep going back to that point because how crucial. I mean, you're busy moms. I mean, if I can get a nice little collagen lift in 15 minutes,
Heck yeah.
I will do that.
Of course, girl. Now, talk to me about trends, because we've got a lot of stuff here, but what are some of the trends that you're seeing that you want to make sure people at home know about?
I think that a lot of the trends that people want in general is that they want to have this professional level equipment, product and innovations without having to leave their home, but also know that it's usable and accessible. I mean, we have so many great things. You talked about the printer earlier, to be able to do this at home back there, and we'll show it again. We have a great right pillow that's great as well, because I love how this pop-up is set up from morning to night. You have a way to start your day with the juice. You have the walking treadmill. Again, innovative ways that we can improve our life, our well-being, our wellness. And again, we don't have to sacrifice the quality and the product, because all this is accessible to us. And at the end of the day, that's what we want, accessible innovation at home.
And when you walk in the doors here at Bleecker Street, the vibes here, it's relaxing, it's calming, it's soothing, it's ways to help you feel relaxed. Like, oh, so we have someone here trying out the at-home workstation. Talk to me about this.
I love the walking station. How many times are we just stagnant in a chair?
Yeah, and if you're working from home,
this is such a great to get your steps in. So here we're being creative. We're using this amazing product from Revo, and she is getting her steps in. She's getting her work done, but she's keeping it moving. And you know where she's doing it from? From her home. Again, that accessibility, that innovation here at our fingertips. And a place like the New Everyday, we can come and try these products out for yourself and see what works for you.
Before we get back, what is one thing real quick that you've fallen in love with here?
You didn't have to pry it out of my hands. I'm telling you right now, this Seneda is going home with me. They don't know it yet. But I'm putting it in my purse because if I could just literally for 15 minutes a day just do this.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Relaxation station,
Am I
baby.
looking radiant already?
Oh, I mean,
Am
you already
looking
did when you walked in the
younger?
door.
Oh my gosh, all this.
So let's tell people what they need to know. The new Everyday Pop-Up runs here at Bleecker Street in Soho through the weekend. It is free to come in, get yourself a juice, get yourself some Nick stickers, try out everything here.
Try out everything and maybe take a smart toilet home with you. I want one.
That's one thing you can't try here. You can't try the toilet here.
We will not try the toilet here, but buy it so we can sit at home.
All right, we are live in Soho this morning. I'll send it back to you in the studio.
Thank you, Julie and Kathy. I will also take that fantastic thing that takes away the wrinkles. Love it, love it. Thanks so much, girls. You can go there. Upgrade your everyday life.